Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to set up a RACI chart in Zoho Project. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zoho Project account. The reason we start here is pretty obvious. We need to be in our project environment to start setting up our RACI chart. Once you're in, navigate to the Task module located in the top menu. Now that we've done that, click on the specific task for which you want to create the RACI chart. This helps us because the RACI chart is task-specific and provides clarity on roles and responsibilities for that particular task. Next up, look for the More option. Click on it and then select RACI chart. The reason we do this is to access the specific interface where we can define the roles for our task. Now you'll see 4 roles: responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. You need to assign your team members to these roles as per their responsibilities in the task. Let me explain why this matters. The RACI chart helps avoid confusion and overlap of responsibilities, ensuring everyone knows what they need to do. Once you've assigned the roles, click Save. This finalizes and stores your chart in the system, making it accessible to everyone involved in the task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is updating its database with your new RACI chart, and it's now ready for you and your team to use. And that's it. You've just set up a RACI chart in Zoho Project. Remember, the key to a successful project is clear communication of roles and responsibilities, and a RACI chart is a fantastic tool to facilitate that. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next tutorial.